Hey.
Can't stop, ain't stop, too hot. Came out like the daughter of Leah and Tupac. And I popped from the jump, ain't nobody too shocked. And I'm out collecting rollies, you save up for G-Shock. Got a bag from the label, I invested and I flipped that.
Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my acrylic nails at home. Well, I should say acrylics because they're not really acrylics, but they're fake acrylics. When you buy these nails on Amazon, you get a full set of 500 nails, which will last you forever. Well, not forever. So if you guys want to learn how I do my nails, I don't know why I'm so excited. I love my nails. They're so pretty. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how I do my nails, then keep watching. So you're gonna need a nail file, a nail polish of your choice. I have no idea why I have mini scissors there or whatever they're called, so just ignore that. And then you're going to need nail glue and some clear top coat. Next, you're going to need your fake acrylics. So I got these from Amazon. I'll link them down below. To make the nails last a bit longer, I'm just cutting down my nails and buffering them. So the first thing you should do is size out your nails. Now I'm just taking 2 to 3 drops of glue and applying it to my fake acrylic nail, and then applying about 2 to 3 drops of glue again and applying it on my nail bed. So I'm lightly filing the top of my nail because there's just really weird, like, I don't even know what it is, but this weird like tab up top, so I kind of just file it down. And now I'm just painting my nails, my least favorite part, because I suck at painting my nails, so I really have to take my time. And now for the final step, I know finally, but I'm using my Sally Hansen top coat. I love that top coat because it takes like 2 seconds to dry, and after that long process, I'm just not trying to sit there for like 500 hours letting my nails dry. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe so you see more from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I would like to get to know if